So, Courtney, when you say that, are you saying there's too much specific coin in Doge, or there's too many different types of cryptocurrency? Because I'll be honest with you, like until you were on the show 2 weeks ago,
yeah,
I thought the only crypto was Bitcoin.
Correct.
That was the only one you could buy.
Right.
You know?
So, you know, the float of any stock, right, is how many shares are available. And Doge has like billions and billions of shares available. And I think they need to shrink the float a little bit, maybe cut that in half. And then, you know, increase the usage of it. And I think they will. I don't know about the float, but I think the usage of it will increase. But it's bigger than Doge, and it's really bigger than Bitcoin. You know, it's about the blockchain. Think of Bitcoin as, you know, the famous kid on the block, right? You know, he made it out of the neighborhood. Everybody knows him. But it's the neighborhood that raised him that made him what he is. So in this case, Bitcoin is just one app that sits on the blockchain, that operates on the blockchain. And we really need to focus on the blockchain, you know. So that's why your Ethereum purchase is a really good one, and you should hold that and add to it. Don't get rid of your Ethereum, because Ethereum is actually a programmable store of value. So you and I can make a bet, you know, the sun's going to set at 8:15. You'll say the sun's going to set at 8:14. We can program that into the Ethereum blockchain, put the reward in, how much we're going to pay each other, and then the Ethereum blockchain will monitor the setting of the sun, monitor our wagers, and then pay the one that wins when at the end of it. The Ethereum blockchain is extremely smart. So, and there's so many other usage for the blockchain. And I'll give you a couple examples. Forbes goes to work. Walmart, Amazon, JP Morgan, Cargill, Enterprise Card, TDW, Deutsche Bank, HSB Bank, IBM. They're all using blockchain. They're all testing blockchain. They're all getting blockchain desk. Okay. So you're not going to escape the blockchain. The blockchain is going to take over everything. It's faster, cheaper, more secure.